Hello students, this is a 2-mark question on computer networks on topic routing and congestion control. In the given network topology, there are two TCP connections, TCP1 and TCP2. TCP1 has a connection rate of x1 kb, while TCP2 has a connection rate of x2 kb. RTT of TCP1 is 0.1 second, whereas that of TCP2 is 0.2 second. And the condition says that there won't be any congestion in network as long as x1 plus x2 is less than c. That is, the total connection rate is less than the available bandwidth. Both the connection use a maximum destination packet size is of 1 kb, and we are asked to compute the time when the condition, that is the congestion, would occur. So as we know, the source doubles the congestion window size every time, every RTT, as long as there is no congestion in the network. So if we plot the table of time versus TCP congestion window size of connection 1 and 2 and the total maximum traffic flowing through the network, this is how the table look like. At time 0, both TCP1 and TCP2 has a congestion window size of 1 and the maximum traffic flowing through the network is 2 kb. Similarly, at point 2, at time 0.1, the TCP1 connection doubles its congestion window size to 2, since the RTT of TCP1 is 0.1, whereas TCP2's congestion window is still 1, since its RTT is 0.2 seconds. At time 0.2, the congestion window size of TCP1 again doubles, while that of TCP2 doubles for the first time. So the total maximum traffic flowing through the network is 6 kb. Similarly, if we see at time 0.6 second, the congestion window size of TCP1 is 64, whereas that of TCP2 is 8. So in total, at max 72 kb is traffic is flowing through the network, which is still less than 120 bandwidth capacity we have. At time 0.7 second, the congestion window size of TCP1 becomes 128, which is itself is larger than 120. Hence, the congestion would occur. The condition x1 plus x2 is less than c is violated. So the correct answer is 0.7 seconds.